Hey, hey, hey. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. We're waiting a couple of seconds. So, hello guys. Hello everyone. Today, we are going to make some awesome stuff here. And actually, we are running right now our Crypto Pumper session. So, almost everybody here. So, hello everyone, and we will make some money maybe today. So, and analyzing the crypto and analyzing all this stuff is going on in the space, yeah, today. So a lot of stuff is going on, and I welcome you on our daily show Crypto Pumper. So we will try to get the best of the best crypto news here today and discuss it, and maybe fulfill our folio together, guys. But when we're just going in, so we will be just I will just remind you guys that we're of course waiting you on our Twitter. We're just making some announcements and sneak peeks and other stuff, and of course we're waiting for you on our YouTube channel, and you can find the fresh stuff here. You can see, of course, the videos about the wallets, about the GameFi updates and crypto market, tendencies. So go there, and you will never lose anything valuable here. And if you want to read more than to, listen and to watch out, so we're waiting you on our feed channel, where you can find some awesome materials, articles, and posts about the crypto right now, right away. So, and of course, we're waiting you on our streaming platforms. It's YouTube, Binance, Huobi, Gate.io. Everything here in crypto is gathered with ourselves. And of course, guys, we're waiting to you in our private Telegram channel. You can find it in some descriptions right down below. So guys, we welcome you. So if you want to take part, by the way, in Twitter Spaces in future, just let me know. We will be test this format a little bit later in future, so it will be nice. So let's go straight for the folio, yeah. And within our today's sponsors now wallet, we will find out what's happening here in the crypto stuff, and you can see that our folio right now, our long-time folio, was just actually going to zero. So we've done everything right. So buying on low positions. Look at this right now. It's totally, in some points red, in some points green. So, but we're preparing for the next bull run, so which will be, I believe, in half a year or sometimes. So we will see these minuses even more and more. But what leads, guys, for these incredibly raising stuff today, for the just from the acquisition cost with 680 to 736 without any investing. Of course, guys, is the crypto news here today, and we need to discuss it, very chocolate. So the first stuff, of course, is a Ripple, yeah. So a Ripple crypto industry score partial win in SEC card flight over the XRP. So institutional sales of the tokens violated federal securities laws, but programmatic sales didn't. Good ruled. So actually, guys, it's a great example how the news flow can really influence the crypto. So if you can see the XRP right now, it's just go up on the 68% right now, and actually, guys, we see that the Bitcoin raised up and everything else. So the sale of Ripple XRP tokens on exchanges and through algorithms didn't constitute investment contracts. So the U.S. District Court and Southern Districts of New York ruled Thursday. So, but the institutional sale in tokens did violate federal security laws, the court said. So it's private sale. you shouldn't, so it was just, illegal, yeah. But if you're buying the XRP on the exchange, so of course it's legal, because it's just a token, yeah, which can be tradable. And right now, many token owners, not only for the XRP itself, but another crypto projects just, say, who, so we can actually sell our tokens. And moreover, the exchanges just go throughout these, big crucial updates about the governmental, pressure on them. So under the chairman Gary Gensler, the SEC has contended, most of them do, and thus that they require issuers to go through a lengthy and expensive registration process before selling them onto the public, and exchanges to register as a broker-dealers before listing them. So the industry has maintained that it's ambiguous how laws written during the analog era and apply to an asset class born on the internet. So my personal opinion here, so we need these regulations actually, and but we cannot, prohibit the cryptocurrencies get listed on the exchange. So even though it can be risky, so actually do your own research every time. Yep. Hamo asks how everything. So I believe today is very fruitful day, and nevertheless we've got the exciting, lottery stuff with Sirius. We will be just covering them tomorrow. We had amazing MAAs with DTEX, and of course we have the Crypto Pumper show today, and tomorrow we will have 2 shows as well, because you voted in Telegram, yeah, that you are ready for the 2 live streams a day. So we will try to support this idea and get more content to you guys. So if you are ready just to share your opinion, and the last week showed that you were not so active, but I believe that was because the second streams were running too earlier, and you haven't been be ready for them. So I'm pretty sure that today, guys, and tomorrow you are all online, and we will see how it's going. Actually, if you will be tired about our trading sessions, about our GeekFi sessions, not hesitate to say to me it in our private group, in our public group, in the comments, and everywhere you want to tell us, yeah. So, or in Twitter, in the comments, say this, and we will stop. No way, we will not. Okay, so moving next to the crypto stuff here. So according to the order from the US card, Ripple first sold around 700 million worth of the XRP directly to institutional buyers, hedge funds, and other parties. So these sales constituted the unregistered offer and sale of investment contracts. May I remind you guys that that was a long time ago, yeah. So it was like 2017, maybe 2018, yeah. So something like this. And right now, saying just this courting, just continuing, and actually, I believe that they will be, going right now with more, understanding that everything will be, just fine in crypto, and every other project can just list their tokens here. So that's why we can see that amazing stuff is raising. So Bitcoin is raising up, all other stuff is raising up. So not so many, yeah, of this stuff is raising, but actually we can see this significant growth in our portfolio, except of several stuff here. And actually I believe so what we will be buying today, we will see that we will see what's going on. So actually another one use I want to just show you as about it's about the Polygon, yeah, about the Matic. So is it so it raised actually a little bit for the 0.84. So I believe it's a good price to go in as well. It's a good signal. So, but you can see that we have more than 10% Matic. And what I'm thinking about, so I'm thinking about ETH, of course. I'm thinking about the BNB, yeah, and I'm thinking about the maybe with some other stuff here. So and I will remind you guys that our goal here in the Crypto Pumper show, with the forming the folio, except actually not within the trading session. So we are providing the habit to invest, not in Matic or in the crypto. So to make a habit to invest small portions or big portions, nevertheless, if you're low banker, so just divide your income into portions and just establish and decide in which period of time you will just make some investments and do it regularly. That's the strategy. Yeah, that's the strategy. So we are just taking the positions before the bull run, and we are ready to make it happen. So we can see that our folio, so we've started in April, and our folio hasn't reached the hasn't reached the zero profit loss yet. But guys, of course, we're just forming the positions. So some crypto can be just going down, some crypto can going up. So today I will buy, I believe, some of the Binance coin, more than Binance coin, because we need this stuff is to be in our folio, I believe. But the price is currently so pretty much big, yeah. So nevertheless, we've bought it even more with 314, and I believe that we can take some positions. So let's look at the where is, so I bought it for the 307, of course, and we were buying this on 242. So this position is actually in plus. So, and we've bought it actually as well on the 285. So I believe we can buy it a little bit more, yeah. So what about the ICP, yeah, internet computing? So actually, guys, I've just been entering some of the GameFi projects with ICP and registered um, in several services there. So I have got my own ICP, how would say, avatar or something. And actually, we can see that on these graphs that the price is just okay. Let's go like this one, yeah. So the price is actually, if we're just taking the year, or if we're taking the, oh my God, sorry. So if we take in the, for example, the all over the graph. So right now it's collecting the positions, yeah, and you can see that it has the intensive to go up to 80, yeah. So the and even to take the all-time high here in 12. So pretty much big, yeah. So pretty much big, not 12, but the sorry, 124, yeah. It was crazy, yeah. But actually, if it will reach $80 from $4, so it can be going up, and we can see that these guys just are developing. So if you will see on the 7 days graph, so yeah, it was bouncing a little bit. But if you can see the months, so you can see that it bounced a little bit. But you need to understand that the months traffic and the daily graph isn't just the stuff, yeah. So of course we can buy it. So let's go for the wallet and see if we have wrapped ICP here or not. So let's check it out. ICP, no. So we need to go to the exchange, yeah, for example, to the exchange and buy them there. Maybe it's called Okay, we have Splinter shards, but we don't have the internet computing yet. So let's go and see on the markets. So of course we have it on Binance, Coinbase, on KuCoin and Gate.io, of course. So maybe we will go for the Binance and buy there, for example. Yeah, some amount of money there. So you can get up with ICP actually. I believe we can do it. I believe we can do it. Why they have no this one on the change now wallet? Because this currency has its own blockchain. Yeah, so they have their own stuff there. So you need to understand that it's just a rep stuff here. So and you cannot find them on the dexes. I mean on the EVM based dexes. So let me enter the Binance maybe. Wait a second. So actually they changed the way okay. Wait a second, guys. Haven't got the message from the Binance. Okay, I've got it. Got it, got it, got it. Okay. Deep said thank you for the box. Actually, thank you for the support. And actually, we've got the message from the Sirius team. They said, "Wow, you have some amazing support here within our trading stuff." Yeah, so it was very nice here, yeah, today. So wait, guys, wait a couple of second. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, we have some USDTs here on our balance. So we will go for the spot trading. So and look how the ICP is feeling here on Binance. So 5-6%, it's not very big move. Yeah, if we can see the whole stuff, so it can go easily for the 8. So you can really buy it no matter what. Yeah. So what we will do here today, so we will buy on the market, for example, on 20 USDT. Yeah, let's buy it. Okay, so the order field, of course, super fast. So let's go here. So we've got the average price of 4,039. So we've got 4 of this stuff, 4 and 60. So we can add it into our folio. Actually, I would say that it's not super good, if you are just scalping. So of course it's not super good price to go in because right now everything is a little bit higher than you can expect. So take your time for the dior, of course, and everything. Okay, adding for the folio. Okay, nice. And yeah. So another one stuff here. So about the Matic, I want to just show you. I wouldn't buy Matic today, guys. So do not worry. Do not worry. I will not buy them because we have got the, as I said before, we have got 10% of Matic here. Yeah. So maybe we will buy some Ethereum. So I believe that we can buy the Ethereum because I believe they have very high potential. So let's go for the USDT Centran, I believe, and we will exchange them for the Ethereum. Yeah, right now. So I want to buy on. So actually, we haven't been buying anything since 7th of July. So it's 7 days, something like this. So 7 on 5 is 35, but I will just round up it, and we'll make it on $20 here on the USDT. So I will got some Ethereum. So as for the, we are provided by liquidity by the Change Now wallet, and actually they have the exchange as well, non-custodial, so very good. So I believe that, and I said that in previous okay, I understand. Let's start. So when we have this message about the high gas fees and so on, so I'm just doing it, and I'm just placing the market price here in the cryptofolio, but I'm not changing the initial number of coins, because USDT was provided by by our sponsorship by this awesome guy. So that's why I'm not just paying attention about the rates, about the fees and so on, but you need to, of course, to think over the fees. So if you are just changing in wallet, for example, your crypto, better to have some of the USDTs, for example, in the Ethereum network, just to swap it out in the Ethereum network for the Ethereum. It's very easy, and it will consume less of the exchange fees and so on. So it's up to you how to act, or you can just go with the big portions of crypto. Yeah, so guys, actually just share your opinion and share your experience, how much in USDTs, for example, or in dollars you usually invest in or just trading in. So let me know, guys, so to understand whether it's interesting for you to form the low bunkers folio, or you need some more advanced stuff here. So because the difference in psychology, difference in in the possible fees are really different, and you can see that this difference when forming the portfolio. So actually we're forming the folio from the 5th of April. It's nearly, so April, May, June. Yeah, yeah, I will not take in the July, so 3 months. So our acquisition cost right now is 700. Yeah, so something like so it was 660, so a couple days ago. So if you divide it on 3, so it's like $200 monthly. So for me, it's not so big amount of money, but for guys who just get the $500 per month, for example, it's amazing, and the big stuff. So, and of course, I'm just putting this money, just I will put here 10, there 10. So it's like, it's not a play, guys. So it's real money. But for my point of view, so I can get this money, and I should, and you should, guys, take the risks that this can be zero in some period of time. So you need to understand the risks every time, even it's big amount or small amount. So you decide for yourself how to count this. So for me, it's not so big one amount of money, but for you guys it can be crucial. So pay attention on this, choose wisely what to invest in, and you will be fine. So what about the Matic? Yeah, so the Polygon proposes token switch from Matic to PAL for more utility. If approved by the community, POL will work as the multi-purpose token that can be used for validate multiple Polygon-based networks. So a group of Polygon founders and researchers proposed a token upgrade that would replace the network Matic token with POL in a move that lets POL function as a single token for all Polygon-based networks, so ZK and other stuff. So these networks include the main Polygon blockchain, the Polygon DKVM network, and various supernets, application-specific blockchains that run atop the main Polygon network. So the proposal lifted Matic, which added as much as 2.6%. So, and right now it's even more, so it's like 85%, 85 cents in the first 3 minutes after the announcement. So if the proposal is accepted, network validators will be able to support the operation multiple chains using a single token. Really, it's very nice decision. Yeah, I like it and I support it. So if you are worrying, sorry guys, I will just switch off on the 1 second. So guys, if you are worrying that your Matic coins, all Matic coins will disappear, so don't be worried. So to upgrade to POL from Matic requires a simple technical action. Send in Matic to the upgrade smart contract, which will automatically return the equivalent amount of POL. So what does it mean for the centralized exchanges? So maybe they will do it for us. I believe that some big ones will do it for us. So in some moment they will just switch on and for the new token. But guys, in some way, maybe you should, take your Matics, for example, from out the exchange and put it on some wallets, for example, on Now Wallet or your MetaMask, it doesn't matter, and do it by yourself. So what does it mean for you guys? It means that if they realized some sort of breach or something, so you can, when you will be doing this, maybe they will drop you an additional stuff. Yeah, so in the case of the exchange, so the exchange will get this additional stuff. So we need to understand this, and each time you are swap something on chain, so better to do it by yourself. If it will be just granted your some experience, and of course you can just pump it up your wallet in future drops, for example, of some other coins, because they can analyze your wallet, and you can analyze everything here. So okay, every Polygon's chain community will ultimately decide which token the chain will use for the gas fees. Some of them might choose POL. Holders will use POL to vote on government's proposals for decentralized applications built on Polygon, and all rewards will be distributed in POL. So very, very nice, very nice. So I like the idea because we need to, to form all of this stuff. Okay, let's add Ethereum here. Yeah, we've got some Ethereum. Okay, let's go for the price. So the price is okay. We can round up actually for 2000 because we've paid some gas fees and other stuff. So we can go for this Ethereum. We've bought this amount of Ethereum, 0.0080124. The buy price we will point as 2000. Not, yeah, something like this. So we've got this one, or we just go for the, as I said before, so we can go for the initial price. Okay, for the initial price, update it. Okay, and update our folio, so it will recount it a little bit because we need to be precise here. Yeah, so okay, for some point of view. Okay, so yeah, it's normal, guys. So sometimes so actually I like to talk to you guys because it's very always it's very fruitful, and I wish we will take some sessions in offline sometime, maybe. Yeah, when we got the crypto millionaires, we can sport in Hamo's yacht, because I believe that Hamo or Mahmoud was saying that in our private group. So he's very experienced trader. So I believe he has already bought his new shiny yacht. Yeah. So it will be nice to spot you there, guys. I believe I would be invited. Okay, so and I will just continue with some positive news for today. Um, so the Europe's first Bitcoin ETF finally launches after a year-long delay. So guys, maybe this is not very super fresh news, but actually it leads for the Bitcoin also to raise up. So because we're just analyzing why just the stuff is growing and everything up. So and what to do with this. So if you're a scalper, so believe me, guys, you can just earn some money on the down movement, for example, to tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, because I believe that Bitcoin will be just a little bit, the level of resistance for the Bitcoin will be pretty much high, so it can go lower. And let's go. So according to the Financial Times, Europe's first Bitcoin ETF is expected to be publicly listed this month, marking a significant development for the cryptocurrency industry. That's why it's growing, because if they will just place it on the major, financial markets, so it means that more liquidity will come up to the market. So a lot of liquidity come up with ETFs. So that's why some people trying to buy them, because they understand. So if this liquidity will flow up to the market, so the price of the Bitcoin can reach up to 40,000, guys. So if everything will be done right here, yeah. So to ensure the smooth operation of the ETF, Jacobi Asset Management has partnered with reputable industry players. Fidelity Digital Assets will provide custody services, ensuring the secure storage of the Bitcoin assets. Additionally, Flow Traders and DRW have been selected as market makers, facilitating the trading of the ETF on the exchange. So the launch of the Europe's first Bitcoin ETF signifies a significant milestone. So sorry for this tautology, I'm just reading the news. So the significant milestone in the mainstream adoption of the cryptocurrencies. ETFs provide investors with a regulated and convenient way to gain exposure to the Bitcoin's price movements without directly owning the digital asset. The introduction of such products opened the opportunities of both institutionals and retail investors to participate in the cryptocurrency market. Actually, the futures provide the same ability. At the launch of the Jacobi Bitcoin ETF approaches, investors and market participants eagerly anticipate the potential impact on the broader financial landscape. The ETF success and investor response will likely shape the future developments in the cryptocurrency ETF space and contribute to the evolving regulatory environment surrounding digital assets. And actually, guys, we're waiting when the same stuff will be happening with US markets as well, because Asian markets, Hong Kong, so actually launched already launched the Bitcoin ETFs, yeah, and Ethereum ETFs. So why just we cannot go for the stuff in the US? So we're just going to make it, yeah. So and one of the one of the bad moves here is that the Alex Mashinsky. So actually remember, guys, that we're just discussing the Alex Mashinsky stuff a little bit earlier. So they just got and arrested him. So I believe he was just in the bad situation, but right now um, he was arrested following the investigation into the company's collapse, and U.S. Department confirmed to CoinDesk. So Mashinsky and others charged with 7 counts, including security fraud, commodities fraud, wire fraud, conspiracy to manipulate the prices of Celsius token, according to a Dutch indictment. So actually, we've said that he was, charged for the not telling the investors about the current situation, and I said that yes, it can be possible, because if you want to save the company, you will tell the investors the truth a little bit later than they are expecting. But actually, those charges are even harder. Yeah, so it's not just um, subjective matter. Yeah, so because the fidelity and wire fraud and manipulation of the Celsius price, so can be actually very drastically um, influence the market and influence the US market as well. So this old stuff with Robinhood, Celsius, and other stuff, so just continue to spinning over. Yeah, so and tech regulations and everything else. So yeah, we need to understand this. So the Doge accused Mashinsky and Celsius chief revenue officer Ronnie Cohen-Pavon of orchestrating a years-long scheme to mislead customers on the market value of the company's value and interest in sale, because the interest rates in sale were really interesting, and numerous with other cryptos. So everyone just asked, so why they just provided so big percentage and other stuff. Yeah, so but on the growing market they can afford this. So Cohen-Pavon also arrested on Thursday, according to a Bloomberg report. So Mashinsky portrayed Celsius as a modern-day bank where customers could safely deposit crypto assets and earn interest. In truth, however, Mashinsky operated Celsius as a risky investment fund. So it was like hype, taking customers' money under false and misleading madness. The indictment said, adding that Mashinsky misled investors about the loan being collateralized, counterparties defaulting, and regulatory scrutiny. So actually, um, what can I say? So everyone doing the same stuff here in crypto. So if you provide the liquidity, if it's not the decentralized, financial institutes, for example, if you're not providing the liquidity into the Uniswap or other, DeFi, even in this case, you can be just, you know, uh, you can be just beaten by the hackers and other stuff. Yeah, so your funds is your funds only when they're kept in your hard wallet. So for example, and by the way, you can see our videos about the latest hardware wallets on our YouTube channel as well, or you should keep them on the custodial wallet, non-custodial, sorry guys, wallets, something like so I've used just earlier to use the Jax or Liberty wallet. So right now it's gone, but we have the Now wallet, so a multi-chain wallet you can just afford, and it's free absolutely, and you can get some of the cashbacks even for your exchanges inside the wallet. So very nice. Take a look on this, maybe download it from your mobile phone. Maybe you want to do this. Yeah. Okay. That's pretty much. I will not just go in deeply with all these, charges for the Mashinsky. So I'm just saying that you need to keep safe, and actually, it it goes in breaking the system of Cefi, yeah, in some way, because I like the Celsius products. I like the Robinhood products, of course. The other guys like Nexo and other stuff. So just raising up on the bull market. So right now I don't know what to do. So maybe we need just to hold up within our situation and try to. So look at this Ethereum price just go back, yeah, and the Bitcoin price go back. So we were on high, so it will be a little bit um, a lower. So can you look at seller? So actually, let's go. I'm not sure that it will be just working right now. Yeah, it's seller. So you mean seller, yeah? So we bought seller, yeah, couple days ago. So the seller network feels good. Yeah, and if you can see that we bought seller on 7th of July, so the last time we were trading, yeah. So right now it's raising up. So um, you can see on the so definitely I would buy on this point, yeah. So you can buy it. So if you will hold it for a long time, but I believe Hammer and Mahmoud, you are just trading like a short in the short term. So look at this, yeah. So the price is pretty much low. It can grow up to the all-time high in 10 times. 10 times, yeah. Oh, 100 times. Oh, 10 times, yeah. So I believe that it's possible. So to get all the all-time high and even greater. So 10x, why not? Yeah, we will take it to the bank. Yeah, because we are waiting to the bull run. So if you believe that this project will just live for some long time, so you're fine, good to go. Even if it's going on the daily graphics, something like this one, yeah. So look at this. The difference is not very big if you're a lone banker. So if you're not going on the 1,000 or something like this, or maybe 20,000, I don't know. So you are good to go here, yeah. Danik, so I'm just predicting. So it's not just the financial advice. I like to no, I don't like to repeat this, but we need to say it every time. I don't know why actually. Yep, I'm not advising this. I'm just showing that I'm doing this. Yeah, so I've just bought the seller a few days ago. So right now it's plus. I believe in 2 days or 3 days it can be down. So it's okay. It's totally okay. So and look at these points. Okay, XRP. Oh, one love. Yeah. So Cardano. Look at this. So ADA is working. Kusama is working, so very nice. Polygonmatic starts to bouncing, yeah. So actually when you're in such a situation when the locals just go in high, so you can go for example and watch for example flow, yeah, or you can go for the ape coin, but I will not buy ape coin. Actually I've bought it like an impulsive stuff, and we can go for Aptos. The price on the Aptos maybe will go even lower because they have unlocking stuff. The rumors about the airdrop, the more airdrop and other stuff. So actually, it's makes the pressure on the price. So Terluna no, Ziliqua maybe. So maybe I will look at this one, and TVT of course Ardor as well. Is good, yeah. So optimism. So actually, I suppose I have some optimism on my wallet. So I haven't just provided into folio because I was being provided it like a airdrop, yeah, retro drop. But actually, guys, I see that there will be even more pressure in optimism chain, yeah. Here, so Solana is growing up. So right now it's okay, but I do not recommend to buy Solana over the 25, yeah, because it can go for the $8 actually in some day. You can buy DOT, you can buy Matic, you can buy BNB as well. Everything for you guys. And or even just look at other interesting coins. So, but for today we've just going for the hour limit. So guys, that's it for today. So love you all, guys. Go for our channels, go for our YouTubes, go for our feed, go to our Twitter, and of course use the right wallets with the right exchanges and all of this stuff, guys. Love you all. Bye bye, guys.